To share with you a journal that I've made, and this is the last journal that I made before I ran out of my paper, and I won't be getting my new paper until tomorrow when it gets delivered. So anyway, stop blabbering on. This is a traveller's notebook. It measures I did write it down. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and there is 90 something pages in this, and I think it's 96 pages. And it's got this lovely designed cardstock on there, which has been sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. And this is not attached, so it can come off completely. You can use this on its own, or you can pop it into your Midori or Fodori. We've got the Tiffany & Co image here, which has been sewn onto some paper and then some fabric, and it's called Memories. And again, that's the word is onto cardstock and then fabric. So let's go inside, making sure I'm in frame. We have a pocket on the inside cover with some ephemera. I think this is mainly Tsunami Rose. If there's anything else, I will let you know. We've got some fabric tabs on here. There is some flip ups, there's stamping and stenciling, a tag, some more ephemera, more ephemera, a library card, and a Tiffany & Co tag. We have a doily and a paper bag, some edge punching, some squared paper. This is an envelope that's just been paper clipped on. Oops, I did I? Fingers won't work. That envelope is from Artimaze. Tsunami Rose. Tsunami Rose pockets here. Some ephemera. A tag, a little journaling card, it's from Artimaze. There's a tag here, some not squared paper, lined paper, Edith Holden, some inventory paper. This is a freebie on Artimaze's website, so I'll go and check that out. Some more Tsunami Rose, and this is the Charming Fragments. Here we have a flip out, and it doesn't want to go back in. There we go. And it's got a doily, ticket, butterfly, some cheesecloth. There's another tag, Tiffany & Co journal card, some shrunk down printable music paper, and a little birdie bookmark. Oops, I didn't put that in properly. Oh, I'll have to do that because I will forget. It goes into that one. There we go. There we go. Doily, paper bag, some edge punching, lined paper, some more stamping, a tag, some more lined paper, some Edith Holden, some music paper. There's lots of journaling room, some pom-pom trim. That flips out. This will be listed in my shop. The link will be below. I don't think there'll be many more journals listed. Maybe 1 or 2 this week, and then that'll be me for a while. For the Christmas period. We have a large piece of ephemera there. Saying that, I always say that I'm not going to do anything over Christmas, and I end up, everybody falls asleep after eating too much and stuffing their faces for a good few days, so I end up coming in here and creating a library card, and the paper clip just holds that closed. This is from Dreams Etc. Another flip out. Here we just have an envelope. This is from Ephemera's Vintage Garden from the Love is Chic. Excuse me. Another journaling card, a tag, a large piece of ephemera, some crocheted trim, another fabric tab, paper bag, doily, and this is the last page, and it's a flip up. And we have some ephemera, a Tiffany & tag, another little bookmark, some ephemera, and a postcard, and I think that's from Artie Mays. And in the back here we just have this piece of ephemera and this postcard and a double journaling card, just like so, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Link will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.